Hello friends, today is 17th June 2020. Now we'll discuss for tomorrow's trade, the trade setup and how to trade few stocks and Nifty and Bank Nifty. Tomorrow's trade, that is 18th June 2020. Before going to technical charts, go through the disclaimer. That way, go to the technical charts. This is so we'll go to Nifty. So this is the Nifty daily chart. Let's see this. Okay. See, yesterday I explained, the previous day also I told about the range. This is the broad range, 9,540 or 550 to 10,000 or 10,010 kind of levels. This zone is the important zone, and it is consolidating. The price is consolidating within the zone. It has not broken any side. Today also it tested a high and closed in the zone. So there is not much change in the structure of the chart. For intraday only, we can aim for a trade for tomorrow. For positionally, there is no clear-cut direction until unless it breaks 10,030 and closes above that level, or on the downside it closes below 9,500. So this is the big range of 500 points. So that's why there is no clear-cut positional trade right now. For intraday, tomorrow we'll see the trade setup for tomorrow. This is the Nifty 15-minute chart. If you see today also, it tested the high and closed within the zone. So tomorrow also the same setup. If comes to around 9,800 kind of levels, we can attempt for a buy and keeping a stop loss of 50 points and aiming for again 9,980. So that is the setup for tomorrow also. So now we'll see for the Bank Nifty for tomorrow's trade. Nifty, yeah, Nifty Bank. See, this is a Nifty Bank daily chart. If you see, this also not much change in the structure, the same range bound. So it closed within the range, 19,500 and 20,750 is the range. We have to wait which side it breaks out the range. So for that rally, we have to wait for positional trade. For intraday trade, for only for tomorrow, this is the setup. So only we'll buy if the price comes to our buying area around 19,800 and keeping a stop loss of 100 points and aiming a target of 20,450. So that is a simple trade setup for even tomorrow also. Today we didn't got trade on Nifty and Bank Nifty both. For tomorrow we'll see if the levels comes, we'll trade, otherwise no trade. And we'll see the stocks to trade for tomorrow. First stock is Escorts. See Escorts, this is the daily chart of Escorts. If you see today, it has given a breakout of this big range for 985, has given a breakout and it went up to 1009 and closed around 1000 rupees. So tomorrow we can trade on a positive bias with this stock. So how to trade tomorrow? We'll have a trade plan only for intraday trade. This is the 15-minute chart of Escorts for tomorrow, that is 18th June. The trade setup is like this. If the price comes to this area, this is the pullback area, so 985 is our entry, and keeping a stop loss below 977 and aim for a target of 1005 or 1010 kind of levels. You can see the momentum, once it touches here, it take bounce from here and it may test 1005 kind of levels. So this is a trade setup, good risk to reward ratio for intraday trade. So as per the plan, we can trade tomorrow. Escorts. Another one is Hindustan Petroleum, Hind Petro. This is a Hind Petroleum. If you see today, there could be a small momentum. So here and this area will become supply. So 224 and 220 is the supply area. There is a probability of testing this area maybe tomorrow or day after, maybe 2-3 days time. So positionally, if we want to buy for 3 days or 4 days, we can buy around this low or around this area. So that is this. So this area around 208. If the price comes to that area, we can buy, and keeping a stop loss below this candle, that is 204. And aim for a target of 225 to 28 kind of levels for positional trade. Okay, for intraday trade, for only for tomorrow, we'll see on the chart. This is the trade setup for tomorrow, Hindustan Petroleum, Hind Petro. So our entry is around 209.50 or 210 kind of levels, keeping a stop loss below 207. And aim for a target of 215 only for intraday. So we discussed 2 stocks. Now we'll go for a third stock, that is highly liquid, most tradable stock, that is Maruti. This is Maruti. If you see the Maruti, the momentum started here, the correction, and this correction has given a breakout, and today tested the supply. There could be a probability of breaking this supply in coming days. For positional traders, if you want to hold for positional basis, you can buy and hold for 4 to 5 days to break out this level, 5,860 kind of levels. If the level breaks out on the upper side, you can get a decent rally up to the level of this 6,000 kind of levels. So you have to be careful. So for positional traders, we can enter here around 5,400 and keeping a stop loss below 5,380 on a closing basis and aim for a target of nearly 6,000. So that is for positional. For intraday, Maruti, how we have to trade tomorrow. So this rejection may, this is the daily supply area. So today that supply tested and the price fall to the level of 5,700. So now tomorrow, for any reason, if it comes to around 5,640 kind of level, so maybe 1 or 2 rupees here or there, we can buy and keep a stop loss around 5,600, around 30 or 32 rupees stop loss, and aim for a target of 5,700. So this is the trade setup for Maruti only for tomorrow intraday. These are all my plans. I'm going to trade according to this plan only. If the price comes to my level, then only I will enter a trade. Otherwise, no trade. So how to trade, how to identify the buying area and how to take out our profits. This is the simple method to identify and trade daily. Thank you friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like, please share it to your friends. If you have any comments, please write in comment section. If you have any queries or anything you want to know, please send a WhatsApp message to my number 939-100-2840. Thank you.